Now, this is how you can find the recently added contacts on your iPhone. Let's get started. So, as you know, the Contacts app is okay, but it doesn't do just that what we want. So instead, we are going to use the Shortcuts app that we have from Apple. If you do not have it, make sure you download it from the App Store. It's free, and as I said, developed by Apple. So what you need to do is to start a brand new shortcut, click on the plus, and from the actions, just type in the contacts. And you can find some options, right? Actually, plenty of them. But I want you to go and click on the find contacts. And this will give you the ability to filter them or add some sort of sorting, right? So you can add a filter, like choose a group or something. But if you click on a sort by, you can pick the middle name, first name, but also the creation date, right? So if you want to, you can click on that, and then you can choose the latest first or oldest first. So in our case, we want the latest first. What we then can't forget to do is to add another action to show the found shortcut. So you can click on that. And essentially then when you click on the done and run these shortcuts, it's going to give you the list of your recently added ones, right? So it is a nice way to get them in sorted. Well, as you probably can tell, this is not the most practical way. But if you're looking for some other solutions, you can check out some different contacts application on the App Store, right? And some third-party ones might allow sorting, right? So you can get a third-party app like that, and you can essentially just make sure that the app has access to your contacts, and then the app, if it has that capability, will be able to sort them. So that's kind of how it works. These are the options you have. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, and I'll catch you later.